Did you know that only 7% of our viewers are actually subscribed? We love creating content for you and want to keep doing it, but we need your support to grow our channel so we can make ends meet. So, if you enjoy our videos and want to see more, please consider subscribing and liking our videos. Thanks for your support.
Hi, Arek here from Cycle Maintenance Academy. If the hose on your hydraulic disc brake is too long, it will not only look untidy, but there's also a risk that it will be caught or get damaged. So, in today's video I'm going to show you how to shorten a hydraulic disc brake hose. Okay, let's begin. Tools and parts required. Bike stand. Set of Allen keys. 8mm spanner. Hydraulic brake hose clamp blocks. Hydraulic brake hose cutters or utility knife. Mole grips. Grease. Mallet or hammer. Olive and a connector insert. These are the components used to secure the hose to the brake caliper and lever. The barb is a small cylindrical metal fitting that is inserted into the end of the brake hose. It has ridges or grooves along its surface that create a tight grip when inserted into the hose. The olive is a small tapered metal ring that slides over the brake hose. When the connecting bolt is tightened, the olive is compressed, creating a tight seal. This seal is essential to prevent any hydraulic fluid from leaking out of the brake system. Be aware that olives and connector inserts are not universal. The design and size of olives and barbs can vary between different brands and models of hydraulic disc brakes. So when you shorten the brake hose, make sure to use the specific olive and barb. Using incompatible or mismatched olives and barbs could result in poor sealing, leaks, or even brake failure. Shortening the hose. Remove the rubber cover from the connecting bolt and push it down the hose. Use the 8mm spanner to undo and remove the connecting bolt from the lever. Let it slide down the hose. Grasp the hose and pull it out of the lever. Move the hose to where it should reach the brake lever. Mark it with a tape or a marker pen. Use the hose clamp blocks and mole grips to secure the hose. While holding the mole grips, use a hydraulic brake hose cutter or a utility knife to cut the hose near the marking point. Make sure that you cut it straight in 90 degrees. Reposition the clamp blocks to expose approximately 2 cm of the hose. Fit the olive. While holding the mole grips, place the barb in a hose and gently tap it with a hammer. Note that if the hose has not been cut correctly, the top of the connector will not fully touch the end of the hose. This can lead to leaks from the system. Grease the olive and the thread on a connecting bolt. Slide the hose into the brake lever. While pushing the hose in, screw the connecting bolt. Tighten the bolt using the 8mm spanner. refit the cover. Check the brake. If it feels spongy, then this may indicate air trapped in hydraulic brake system. If this is the case, you may need to bleed the brake. We have a great video here to help you with this task. Thanks for watching. Let me know what was your experience in shortening a disc brake hose. You can help us grow this channel by hitting subscribe, like and sharing this and other videos with your friends. Thanks!